Welcome to 312 2nd Avenue Southwest here in Sidney, Montana. This affordably priced, one-story bungalow features 3 bedrooms, offering plenty of space for a variety of living arrangements. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking for a home to make your own or searching for an investment opportunity, this property offers flexibility and potential. Its convenient, walkable location puts you close to downtown amenities, local shops, restaurants, and dining, making it easy to enjoy all that Sidney has to offer. Inside, you'll find a comfortable living room and an open kitchen featuring laminate countertops, an oven range, and a refrigerator. Original hardwood floors throughout the home add warmth and character to the space. The property includes a detached one-car garage, additional covered parking, and plenty of potential to make it your own. Book a visit now and explore this property.